Well, welcome to Papa Bear's Peppers, and I'm Harold, and today we're going to go inside the House of the Monsters, and I'm going to get a special pepper. I just had to water. You'll have to forgive my baby. They look a little sad right now. I picked on this, the white ghost. Got a ton of pods off of there. In fact, I left some in here. These bigger chocolate champions that I got in here. I got some real nice ones that I'm going to pull from, and they're going to be my seed pods. Just because I love the shape of them. They're really nice. Got one over here. Look at that big monster. Let's see if I can get that leaf out. Look at that big monster. Now that is a beautiful, beautiful chocolate champion. So, still got a bunch of primatalis over here growing. Look at that. So, what we haven't went for, though, is over here, deep into the monsters. Now, I have two. Well, these are some no-tailed reapers in here. They're still developing, still going. Lots of pods on there. Look at that. Still going crazy. But what we're going to be doing, see if I can get into this plant a little bit. Now, what I have here is a small chocolate Bhutlah. And then here, I got some bigger chocolate Bhutlahs that are really big. There's chocolate Bhutlah here. And what do we got? Right here, there's another one. Right here. Look at this thing. A big old chocolate Bhutlah here. I'll be honest, folks, I'm not going to go after one of the big monsters today. I'm probably going to be going after this little guy right here. But this is the kind of, I don't know, we'll see how crazy I can get here. But two of those are your more average size chocolate Bhutlahs. There we go. Compared to what I'm eating. I don't know, folks. We'll see. I got some more chocolate Bhutlahs that are growing in there, and yeah, we'll keep an eye on them. And back look of the monsters still thriving in here in the greenhouse. So I'm going to close them off in here. And all right, folks. Well, here we are. We're inside now, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of reviews. I want to give a shout out real quick to Marcel DeWitt. He's an old friend of mine. He owns the chili factory in Australia, and he recently sent me some Caribbean barbecue rub, some Jamaican barbecue rub, and some smoked piri piri. I'll tell you, now on top of that, you know, and he also sent me some of his hot sauces. And let me tell you what, the man can make hot sauce. He makes really good. If you ever want to order some through the chili factory, they do ship to the US, just so you know. But this one here is the Scorpion Strike on steroids. You can see that one. This is going to be in a future review here. Now here's a regular Scorpion Strike, and I'll tell you what, those rate on the very top of the heat list, so those are going to be quite hot. The Fiery Frillneck Hiss, that's going to be a good one. It's a hot smoky grilled tomato sauce. I'm looking forward to it. I really am. And also the Wombat Nibble. Now this one is a mild chili satay sauce, and I'm really looking forward to them. You know, just so you, this one also, this Scorpion Strike on steroids is actually a barbecue sauce. So not only is it going to be hot, but it's going to be good. Here we go. We're going to come back here now. This is off of my chocolate Bhutlah that I have inside the monster house. I got my little one here, and I got two bigger ones. And I kind of changed my mind on what I'm going to do. And so thinking I might do a little bit bigger one. So we're gonna see what goes on here. We'll see if it's doable or not. And today I'm going to be using a ceramic blade to cut these open. I'm gonna put some gloves on here now that I'm getting into the real business of this. I'll be honest, it's gonna be a hot one. I already know it, you all know it, but I gotta do it. I have never done a chocolate Bhutlah, and so I gotta put myself through the torture. As always, I have my orange juice. I have been sipping on it. So, don't know what got into my head. I'm going from this little fella to this crazy sized one. I don't know what I'm doing. So, we're gonna see what we got inside here. Popping the fuse on it. Gonna use a ceramic blade today. Yeah, I think I'm about to go into panic mode is what I actually think. Hopefully you can see, look at that. This comes from my Nectar for the Gods, nutrients. And I'll tell you what, and I'm just going, oh Lord. All right folks, so look, this one is full of placenta. I mean, when I say it's full, look at that. Look at barely on the one side, but look at the other side. Oh my Lord. I don't know what I'm thinking when I do some of the things I do and decide for, you know what the heck, we're gonna do a nice hot one and torture ourselves. So I'm gonna put this all back together. Here we go, folks. The chocolate Bhutlah. I already feel the heat coming on. Oh my God. Oh. A little floral. But the heat, the heat's coming. It's getting hotter and hotter. It's on my tongue and it's working back. It's a searing heat. It's so hot. I'm gonna ride that wave though, folks, I'm telling you. Oh, folks. I've been building up for this one. Knowing what was coming. So the heat is, it really is intense right now. It's like the floral taste went away and it actually got pretty nice. But the heat is just wrenching. Whew. Oh, wow. Oh, what an intense heat. I don't even know. It's hard to talk. These are the chocolate Bhutlas. Let me try it with the other hand. Really hot. It's just stinging on my tongue. Chocolate Bhutlah. This one's still ripening. Nose is running. It hasn't come down yet. Oh, folks. Fortunately, I've been eating a lot of hot peppers to get ready for this one. And this one. If you want to test your heat tolerance, I suggest a chocolate Bhutlah. Oh, I got the shivers. It's just oh, Lord. I'm getting a massive endorphin rush right now. It's just like a massive wave over me. This could be the hardest endorphin rush I've had in a long while. This thing is still all on my tongue. It's just like a searing burn on my tongue. Right here, the chocolate flavor. So this one actually, initially it had some floral hints on it, but then it just, the flavor wasn't too bad. You know, it didn't have a bad aftertaste like some of the chocolates do. Oh, wow. Oh, ooh. Okay. Oh, starting to get through it. Holy smokes, folks. It shoots up, and it definitely hit my panic button. Even with the OJ, a little crampy, but still, I don't think it's nearly as bad as it would be. My head is swimming right now. I wish I could tell you where I got these chocolate Bhutlah seeds, folks. Honestly, I don't remember. So I'm coming down now. Oh. Oh. What a great pepper. Hot. Ooh, hot. That was hot, folks. I'm okay. So, 8 on a scale, my scale. 8 or 9. Right up there. Oh. I swallowed and I just got hit again. That chocolate champion's a hot one like this too. This one has an edge on the chocolate champion because this one actually took me into panic mode. It wasn't close to it. I hit panic mode for a minute on that one. Whew. But yeah, I've been just getting some insane peppers this year. This is another good one, the chocolate Bhutlah. Definitely lives up to its name. This one will be coming up very soon, so I can do a bit of a comparison. It's not as big, but it's plenty big. Fact is, I really love the flavor of the Reaper, so call it whatever you want. I don't care. Look at this one. This one off of the raised beds out there. Out in the raised beds, I just grow them for powder. I don't grow them for seed. I just grow them for the powder, for the peppers, for more peppers. That's some crazy ones. I already got my seeds from some, what I call perfect phenos. And that's what I wanted. They have nice little tails. Not long tails, but nice little tails on them. Probably about an inch long. To me, what I like, a perfect shape. A perfect lobe coming down to a tail that drops down. Just beautiful. Oh. Whew. All right, folks. I made it through the ride. I want to thank you again, everybody, for watching out there. Comment down below. What do you think? Should I do a Reaper next? Should I do one of these wall 7s? I've got that one, and I've got this one. Those were created by Butch Taylor, and I don't know what they're supposed to look like. That's what came off of my phenos. So I got the seeds from Butch Taylor, but they just come out like that. I don't know. It could be my Washington weather, but these weird looking 7-pot browns that went like a mustard. Really crazy. This is Harold with Papa Bear's Peppers. You have a great day and keep growing.